Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to personalize the evaluations in CocolevioHR by adding custom questions. First, log into your CocolevioHR account and navigate to the Evaluations section. To begin, start a new evaluation. Fill in the basic details on the first page. After this, you'll need to set the number of questions you want to include and the maximum time allowed under assessment criteria. Once you're on the Assessment Questions page, look for the Custom Question Challenge button and click on it. Here, you can select a question from the pre-populated list. Or, you can add more questions by clicking on the Add More Questions to this list option. Follow the instructions provided to create your custom question. It's quick and easy. Once your custom question is created, return to the Assessment Questions page. You'll find your new question in the list. Simply select it to add it to your evaluation. Finally, click the Get Evaluation link button to save all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom question to your assessment in CocolevioHR.